Hey there, Amar here, and if you've been struggling to build your email list and get quality traffic that actually converts, listen up because this is going to blow your mind. Build your list and get traffic for free and more for just $1. You are getting instant access to 5 high converting lead capture pages that are already designed, written, and optimized to turn cold visitors into hot leads. All you have to do is import them into your Leads Leap account using simple share codes. But that's not all. You are also receiving 2 free exclusive traffic promo codes from trusted traffic websites, and then also 2 other promo codes after you upgrade for $1. So as soon as someone opts into the funnel for free, they will get 2 or 3 promo codes for free traffic. And if they upgrade for the one-time offer, for the $1 offer, they will get 2 more traffic promo codes for better conversions. Banner ads, solo ads, text ads, and even login ads. This means that you can start sending traffic to your new capture pages right away without spending extra on ads. This is a plug and play mini list building funnel. It is actually a complete system that you can import in few seconds. So these are the capture pages that you will get. They are highly performing. They have excellent headlines, subheadlines, and also bullet points. They invite your visitors to subscribe to your own email list to get access to free traffic promo codes. And if they upgrade for the $1 offer, they will get also the capture pages to duplicate the system themselves. So these capture pages are highly effective. Let me show you one of them. This is exactly how it appears on a screen computer, and it's also optimized for mobile devices. So the conversion rate of these capture pages is very high. People like to get free stuff, especially if it is traffic. After they opt in, they will receive a welcome email with 3 promo codes to get free traffic on traffic exchanges. And if they decide to upgrade from your affiliate link, they will get to duplicate the system, and you get 100% commission on the front end and 50% commissions on the rest of the funnel. And here is exactly the welcome email that your future subscribers will receive as soon as they opt in from one of your 5 high converting capture pages. They will receive this email as a welcome email. It's a high converting subject line. Want your first commission this week? It's a question mark. So they get inside the email, they read the email to explain the system, and then here is your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link that will allow you to make 100% commission on this $1 here, and 50% commissions on the rest of the funnel. And also the email gives them access actually to the traffic package that you promised them. 3 promo codes are already here, but they might go up 4, 5, or 10 promo codes. Now, this is real value your subscribers they are getting from the start. And after that, if you upgrade to the second one-time offer, you will receive actually 10 follow-up emails. I will show you that in a second. 10 plug and play money making follow-up emails. You can of course upgrade for this, and you put them with one click on your autoresponder on Leads Leap. Of course, these subject lines are highly converting. They have a large open rate, and inside of each email, of course, there is lots of value already, but you can add to those emails if you'd like to. So if people do not convert from the first or the second email, they will certainly convert later. I will show you, of course, in a separate video how to set up everything together. It takes just a few minutes. Everything is like point and click, import and set up your, put your affiliate links on the right spots, and you will be good to go. You will have 5 capture pages that you can choose from, or just put them in a rotator and promote that rotator link so that you can know which capture page is converting the best. After that, they will receive a series of 10 emails that educates them and offers them more value. I will explain in a separate video exactly how to set up things, and I promise it will take you just few minutes. So don't hesitate, guys. This is the fastest and easiest way to start building a list and making money from your traffic, even if you are a complete beginner, and it's just $1. So click the link below this video to get instant access. Set it up in 10 minutes and you are in business. To show you how exactly you want to import and customize and rebrand the $1 starter kit funnel. So it's very easy. The first thing you want to do is create a list on your Leads Leap account, and when you are on your Leads Leap account, just head to the left side and click List Manager. You will be on the List Manager just like this, and you want, of course, to click Add a New List. You click on this button, you give the list a name, and you click Add Now. You will be presented to a form just like this one to indicate all the information about this list. So you'll give it a name, you give your name here, your first name will be enough, and then your email address, the code, the physical address where you live, etc. And then one important thing I would like to say here is that your affiliate link for the for this system, for this funnel, needs to go here where it says show a link after verification. So for your future subscribers, when they opt in, they will receive a verification email. They go to their inbox, click on it, and this is exactly what will appear to them, your affiliate link for this system. All you have to do actually is go to the affiliates page on Warrior Plus. You will access it from different places, and you want to request your affiliate link from a button here. Copy that affiliate link that you will be getting, copy it, bring it to your list, and remember, you want to paste it right here, show a link after verification, and of course you go ahead and just save your list. My list in this example is called $1 viral list. This is the name of my list. So this is the first step. You want to set up an email list on your Leads Leap account, and most importantly, you want to put your affiliate link right here on this spot. The second thing you want to do is actually import the capture pages themselves to your Leads Leap account. Choose the best one, the one that you prefer, because there are 5 versions of them. Let me show you actually. Before I show you how to import them and set them up, let me show you this one. This is the first one. Look at this headline: unlock 2 free traffic promo codes plus 5 plug and play lead capture pages that convert like crazy. Just $1 gets it all for you. Look at this subheadline. Look at this bullet points. This is highly converting. Let's check the second page. The color is different, but the headlines are always very powerful and highly converting. Let's check the third one. Same thing, same system, and when you see it on a mobile device, it will be very actually very clear, very organized. They will be having this these headlines, and then the bullet points, and then at the bottom you will see this opt-in form. Let's take a look at the number 4, as you can see here, and this is the number 5. So you can import them all to your Leads Leap account. You can promote one of them, the one that you prefer, or you can just promote all of them. If you put them all in a rotator link inside of Leads Leap, you have this option. Of course, you can put multiple pages under one link, which is a rotator link, and when you promote that link, it will display one different page every time it is displayed, that link. So When you upgrade for $1, you get the share codes for these 5 pages, and let me show you how exactly you want to use them. Keep in mind that you already created your list. We just spoke about that. Everything is good with the list. Now let's go ahead and import the pages. So let's say you grab a share code for, let's say, the capture page number 4 or number 5. All you have to do, of course, is create a page, and then when it comes to the design, you just import that design. So when you open it on let's take this one here, the number 4. If you open it on the editor, you will see exactly the content of the page, where you can just point and change anything if you'd like to. But the most important thing is you want to connect these pages to the email list that you created before. So you click on this place here on the left side, list, and then you click get the list. Of course, you will see the list you just created. This one here, this is what I named my list. So I just click here and it is right there. Anyone who subscribes from that page will be added to this list and will be receiving the email series from this list. But here is another important thing that you want to do. You want to put your affiliate link, the previous affiliate link for the system, you want to put it here as well. So we put it the first time on the list so that when people validate or activate their subscription, they will get access to your affiliate link. And also, when they just opt in the form, they will be taken also to your affiliate link. So many places where you can convert your visitors and future subscribers. Again, so where does this link come from? You want to go to the affiliate page on Warrior Plus and request approval. You will be auto approved if you are a buyer, and then you just copy that affiliate link, copy it, bring it here to the editor and paste it here. Very important to remember this. So this is how the system works. If you attach everything together the right way, you can't miss. I mean, look, and remember also to save every time you do this change. Remember to save the changes. So these are the pages. They are beautiful pages and high converting pages. If you put, look, this is already a configured page. So if I put here any email address and I subscribe like this, look what happens. It will take me to this page saying that we just sent you an email, the welcome email. As you can see here, it is already gone to that to the inbox. And if you close this, you will see the sales page for the $1 offer, as you can see. So if your subscribers buys for $1, you get 100% commission. Let's go and see what was the, look at the welcome email. The welcome email is right here. So if I click on it, it says you need to confirm your email by clicking here. I click on that and see after this countdown where it will take me. It will take me exactly, look, when I click to your affiliate link actually. And if anybody buys from here, you will get that 100% commission while building your email list. More conversion will come from the email follow-up series. Now, for those who upgrade for the 10 plug and play money-making follow-up email series, I will show you in a second how to import them in one click. And you know what? They will have all of them, all the emails will have your affiliate link automatically on them for the next 10 days. You will be promoting the system. And yeah, like I said, some people convert from the beginning, some people convert from later emails that will be sent automatically. Set and forget. You just promote your capture pages and the system does it all for you. So let's say that you upgrade for $7 to get these follow-up email series. So you go back to your email list that you created earlier. Remember this email list? You want to come to these two envelopes here to import the emails. So when you click on these two envelopes here, you will see this button. No, actually, I will see this button here, import. If you click import, it will ask you for the share code code. Of course, you will get the share code. You click replace all existing episodes, and you click yes if available for the welcome email, and then you click import. Now, as soon as you do that, you will see the emails. No, actually, before you see the emails, another pop-up will ask you for your affiliate link of the system. So again, you go to this page, get your affiliate link, and come back to your list here and give it to that pop-up so that it will populate all the emails with your affiliate link. So inside, if I open this one, for example, you will see the email, and at the bottom there will be your affiliate link right here. So this is how we do it. Again, you click on these two envelopes, you click import, you put the share code that you'll be getting, click import. Now you will see another pop-up asking you for your affiliate link. Get your affiliate link from the affiliate page here, and then copy it and paste it on that pop-up. Click import, and all these emails will be added to your list, and they will go out to your future subscribers day in, day out. So this is the installation process, guys, and of course you can reach out to me by email at the bottom of this page if you have any other questions or any other ideas that you want to discuss. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.